And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Good morning, I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Alexa Bianco. Forecast focus for today. So pretty bright for most of the day, and then we do see rain and snow coming in a little bit later on tonight, and then we do see a very similar trend into tomorrow. Spotty showers and mix, but also going to be more on the cloudier side, and then temperatures get briefly cooler Thursday and Friday, but for most of the week pretty mild, I have to say. Live in Westfield, we are seeing mostly clear conditions this morning. Still dark out there, but once the sun does come up, it'll be pretty bright out there for sure. But temperatures right now: 29 in Northampton, 28 in Westfield, 29 in Springfield, 24 in Orange, and 31 in Pittsfield, as well as 30 in North Adams. So the air temperature, I know it's cold out there, but it's not too bad because the wind chill also remaining on the light side today. So 42 in Northampton today for as far as air temperatures go, 43 in Springfield, 43 in Westfield, 40 in Orange, 36 in Pittsfield, and 39 in North Adams. So relatively mild, getting to lower 40s. Can't complain too much. Wind gusts can remain pretty light. Get into the upper teens just a little bit towards the afternoon as we get a little bit breezy mid-afternoon as always. But for the most part, staying pretty light today. Not too bad. But as far as the wind gusts picking up for the rest of the next few days, we're going to start to pick it up a little bit around Thursday, getting up to 20-25 miles per hour. But for the next couple of days, though, today and tomorrow, remaining more in the teens. But overall, not too bad. But clouds and radar, we're dry for the time being. Seeing some spotty flurries and more in the northern Franklin County, but for most of the Pioneer Valley, we're staying dry for the first half of the day. Going to see a good amount of sunshine out there. And looking here towards the skycast. So 10 a.m., lots of sunshine out there. We're going to be seeing sunshine, bring more of the same throughout the afternoon. By the time we get to 6 o'clock, that's when we start to see that cloud coverage come through. And a little bit later on, we do see those scattered snow showers and a little bit of rain and snow mix coming into play around 11 o'clock. Comes to the Berkshires, of course, first. 11 o'clock comes to the Pioneer Valley. This is pretty scattered, though, switches more over to rain by 1 a.m. And then pretty much it's cleared up. By the time we wake up for school and work tomorrow, we're already dry. We're just going to remain on the cloudier side by 6 a.m. And then it's pretty spotty with showers throughout the day. So we're going to see 2 spot showers throughout the afternoon, especially on the Berkshires around 2 o'clock. And then another round around between 7 and 8 o'clock for pretty much the all of Pioneer Valley. It's a little bit scattered for some areas, but we're still seeing some spot showers around the area too. And it remains the heaviest of the rain stays pretty west, especially even for the Berkshires. But we do see 4 a.m. another round of some snow coming in, a little bit of a mix, and that clears out pretty quickly though. Remains pretty west though to the Berkshires and going west to 91. But of course, if you're going to be up at that time, just of course always be careful on the roads regardless. 7 a.m. though, mainly clearing out though for Thursday, just seeing some of those lingering clouds, and becomes more of a sun cloud mix type of day to mostly cloudy. But as far as today goes, mostly sunny and dry. 40 to 44 is your range of highs, and then tonight cloudy rain snow mix. 24 to 28 is your range of lows. And here is the 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast. So lower 40s today, a relatively pretty mild and nice day for the first half of the day. And then we have a evening mix that turn in showers, and then Wednesday we do see some spot showers as well, turning to more rain to mix later on. Going to stay in the mid 40s, and then we drop down a little bit Thursday and Friday into lower 30s and upper 20s. AM flurries possibly Thursday morning, dry Friday, and then getting back into lower 40s on Saturday, remaining in the 30s as well on Sunday. Chance of flurries on Sunday, but mainly dry though, and then also on Monday. Stay updated with the forecast on the 22's app. It's free to download and at wwlp.com.